Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto through Fidelity. First, you'll need to ensure you have a Fidelity crypto account. This specialized account is separate from your regular brokerage account and is essential for trading digital assets. Once your account is established, you can link your existing bank account to easily transfer funds. This setup allows for seamless deposits, preparing you to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. Setting up your Fidelity crypto account is simple and can be done entirely online. You'll start by completing an application and providing some personal details for identity verification, which is a standard security measure. After your identity is confirmed, the next crucial step is linking your bank account. This connection enables you to transfer funds into your crypto account, making it ready for your investments. The entire process is designed to be user-friendly and secure. Once your account is funded, you're ready to place an order. Navigate to the trading section and select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can then specify the amount you want to buy, either by entering a dollar value or a specific quantity of the crypto asset. Always take a moment to carefully review all the order details, including the price and fees, before you confirm your purchase. This ensures accuracy and helps you avoid any mistakes. After your purchase, it's wise to regularly monitor your cryptocurrency portfolio. Keep an eye on market trends and understand the performance of your digital assets. Remember that cryptocurrency transactions can have tax implications, so it's important to consult with a tax professional for personalized advice. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Managing your assets wisely is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.